Good day, everyone. I am here to guide you for our lesson for the first grading period. We will be discussing in Module 1, visualizing numbers up to 100,000. Lesson 1 is about visualizing numbers up to 100,000, with emphasis on numbers 10,001 to 50,000. But before we start, let's have a review. Give the number for each set of objects. Number 1. Look at the lipote fruit and count the number disc. What number is shown by the set of lipote? Is it 1008 or 1108? The answer is 1008. 1000 and 8 ones is 1008. Number 2. What number is shown by the set of tomatoes? Is it 1400 or 1040? If your answer is 1400, you are correct. 1000 and 400 is 1400. Number 3. Look closely at the number disc for the set of bananas. Count them well. What number is shown by the set of bananas? Is it 4637 or 4576? Very good. The answer is 4637. 4000s, 600s, 3 tens, and 7 ones is 4637. For our last number, number 4, what number is shown by the set of fern or pako? Is it 9698 or 9869? Good job! The answer is 9869. 9000s, 800s, 16s, and 9 ones is 9869. I think you're ready to learn our new lesson. Remember to listen carefully for you to understand the lesson well. In case there is a part of the lesson that you don't understand, you may repeat watching this video. Have you been to Taytay Falls in Maayhay, Laguna? Do you know how many people every summer have visited this tourist spot? Tetek and his cousins enjoy their summer vacation in Maayhay, Laguna, especially when they go swimming in the cold water of Taytay Falls. They are always surprised with the number of tourists visiting the place. Out of curiosity, they wanted to know the number of tourists who went to the falls. So they asked the barangay tanod near the registration area. They were truly amazed because there are already 10,597 tourists that were recorded as of that moment. Do you know how big 10,597 is? Let's visualize 10,597 using blocks, flats, longs, and units or ones. To guide you in understanding their values, take a closer look on how each unit transformed into another. Are you ready? Watch closely. Let's start with the units. Count the longs. Watch the flats. Count the flats. Now for the blacks. Count the blacks. Did you notice what happened from the start? How many units do we have? We have 7 ones or 7 units. 7 units is equal to 7. How many longs do we have? We have 9 longs or 9 tenths. 9 longs is equal to 90. How many flats do we have? We have 5 flats or 5 hundredths. 5 flats is equal to 500. How many blacks do we have? We have 10 blacks or 10 thousandths. 10 blacks is equal to 10,000. Another way on how we can visualize 10,597 is to think of this to represent the number. Let's try to perform the following activity using number disc. Visualize 10,597 using number disc. How many 10,000 discs do we have? We have 1 10,000th. 1 10,000 disc is equal to 10,000. How many 100 discs do we have? We have 5 hundredths. 5 100 discs is 500. How many tenths do we have? We have 9 tenths. 9 tenths is equal to 90. How many ones do we have? We have 7 ones. 7 ones is 7. Visualize 10,001 using number disc. Let's see how many discs do we need to visualize 10,001. How many ones do we need for 10,001? We need 1 ones. 1 ones is equal to 1. How many tenths discs do we need? Yes, none. We don't need tenths because it is 0. How many 100 discs do we need? We don't need 100 discs because it is also 0. How many 1000 discs do we need? Yes, we don't need 1000 discs because it is 0. How many 10,000 discs do we need? We need 1 10,000 disc because it is equal to 10,000. Let's now visualize 26,350 using number disc. How many ones do we need for 26,350? We need no ones. How many tenths do we need? We need 5 tenths. 5 tenths is equal to 50. How many 100 discs do we need? We need 3 100 discs. 3 100s is equal to 300. How many thousand discs do we need? We need 6 1000 discs because it is equal to 6,000. How many 10,000 discs do we need? We need 2 10,000 discs. 2 10,000s is 20,000. Visualize 50,000 using number disc. Let's see how many discs do we need to visualize 50,000. How many ones do we need for 50,000? We need no ones because it is 0. How many tens do we need? Yes, none too. We don't need tens because it is also 0. It is the same with hundreds and thousands because they are also zeros. How many 10,000 discs do we need? We need 5 10,000 discs. 5 10,000s is equal to 50,000. Let's try another activity to reinforce your skills in visualizing numbers. This time, you are going to tell what number is represented by the number disc. Let's have the answer. We have 3 10,000s. 3 10,000s is 30,000. We have 2 1,000s. 2 1,000s is 2,000. We have 5 100 discs. 5 100 discs is 500. We have 4 tens. 4 tens is 40. We have 4 ones. 4 ones is 4. Therefore, 30,000 plus 2,000 plus 500 plus 40 plus 4 is 32,544. What number is represented by this number disc? Remember to count the disc accordingly. Let's check your answer. We have 4 10,000 discs. 4 10,000s is 40,000. We have 3 1,000 discs. 3 1,000 discs is 3,000. We have 2 100 discs. 2 hundreds is 200. We have 6 tens. 6 tens is 60. Lastly, we have 8 ones. 8 ones is 8. Therefore, 40,000 plus 3,000 plus 200 plus 60 plus 8 is 43,268. Let's have another one. What number is represented by this number disc? Let's see if you got it right. We have 4 10,000s. 4 10,000 discs is 40,000. We have 4 thousands. For 1,000 discs is 4,000. We have 2 hundreds. To 100 discs is 200. We have 3 tenths, and 3 tenths is 30. Here we have no ones. No ones is 0. Therefore, 40,000 plus 4,000 plus 200 plus 30 will give you 44,230. Let's apply what you have learned. I want you to get a piece of paper to write your answers. In this portion, you are going to answer 4 items. Read the direction carefully. Once you start answering the application, pause this video. Once you have finished answering the 4 items, you may resume watching this video to check your answers. Let's check your answers. For numbers 1 and number 2, here are the answers. For number 3, check your answer. Now for our last item, number 4. If you get the same answers, you are awesome! How do you visualize numbers from 10,001 to 50,000? What could help you in visualizing numbers? To visualize numbers from 10,001 to 50,000, we use representations. We use blacks, flats, longs, and units or ones to represent numbers. Number these such as ones, tens, 100s, 1000s, and 10,000s are also helpful in visualizing large numbers. We also use grids to guide us in visualization of numbers. Now that you have learned how to visualize numbers from 10,001 to 50,000 in Lesson 1, you are now ready to take an evaluation for Module 1, Lesson 1 in Mathematics 4. Use your pad paper to write your answers. Again, read the directions carefully. Once you start answering this portion, pause the video. Once you have finished answering the evaluation, you may resume watching this video to check your answers. Be honest. Good luck! Let's check your answers. For numbers 1 and 2, here are the answers. For number 3, for number 4, and now for number 5. If you get the 5 items correctly, congratulations!